National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, southeastern Arundel County in central Maryland, northwestern Calvert County in southern Maryland until 6:30 p.m. At 5:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Upper Marlboro and was moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Londontown, Shady Side, Galesville, Road River, Mayo, South River. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent clouds and lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.
Oh, there's a rainbow.
Please back up.
The National